Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 37. A demand backed up by ability and willingness to pay for specific commodities within a given period of time is referred to as dash demand. A. Abnormal, B. Complementary, C. Derived, D. Effective, E. Demand. So here we are looking at the various types of forms of demand, of price demand. Now, in order for us to know which one fits into this description given to us in the question, let's take a look at the definition of each of the forms given to us as the options. So, abnormal demand, which is option A, is demand contrary to the conventional law of demand. That is the conventional law of demand, which holds that higher price, the higher the price, the lower the quantity demanded, and vice versa. So that is the lower the price, the higher the quantity demanded. Now option B, complementary demand, is demand for a product generated by a demand for a related but different product. So let's say a demand for cars, for example, which is a product, will bring about demand for car tires. So it's a related but different product. So that is complementary demand. So option C, which is derived demand, is a demand for a commodity, which is a consequence of demand for something else. Then option D, effective demand, is a level of demand that represents real intention to purchase by people with means to pay. So that is effective demand. Now option E, which is market demand, is the sum of individual demand for a product in market. So we have seen what each of these options mean, and we described effective demand as a level of demand that represents a real intention to purchase by people with means to pay. And that means to pay, that intention, real intention, okay, that is the willingness, right? The intention and ability, that is willingness to pay, that is intention to purchase or intention to pay, and people with means. So that means to pay is the ability to pay for a specific commodity. So we can say that D, effective demand, is the correct answer to this question. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.